Organic lines which curves randomly and freely are mostly found in nature. These curving lines of branches have a pleasing sensual quality which suggests comfort and relaxation. Diagonal lines are clearly seen in this perspective view as the train moves along the railway, successfully portraying movement, direction, and speed. Organic shapes, commonly found in nature, are irregular. For example, leaves. They have a free-flowing nature that conveys a sense of informality and spontaneity. Shapes found in architecture are mostly geometrical like square, rectangle, and triangle, although sometimes organic freeform shapes will also be integrated in the design. Organic forms in nature are curvy and asymmetrical without sharp edges, therefore these forms suggest a sense of natural and calming to the eye. Geometrical forms found in man-made architecture are produced from the combination of geometrical shapes. They look more rigid, clean, sharp, and strong compared to organic forms. Color can be categorized into three types, which is primary, secondary, and tertiary color. From the bushes, we can observe the colors purple and green, which are both secondary. For man-made architecture, the inspiration is obtained from the nature. For example, the color of rainbow, which makes up the canopy of colorful umbrellas. Texture visually describes the detail of an object. Texture in nature can be shown by tree barks, which have rough and hard surfaces, adding a richer detail for the surrounding nature. Gravel flooring, on the other hand, is an example of man-made architecture which has grainy texture. This texture has a functional use of preventing users from slipping off the ground. Unity is a sense of harmony achieved when elements of pieces combine together. This feeling of wholeness is achieved in the Kuala Lumpur railway station building through alignment and the use of similar shape. Rhythm is a movement created from repetition or alternation of elements. In this case, the repeating elements in the facade of the cafe are simple reflective panels which are grouped linearly in a uniform angle to create a zigzag feeling. Same elements are repeated throughout the design, which creates consistency and cohesiveness on the curving facade of the old Kuala Lumpur railway station building. Variety is achieved by combining different elements within a composition. This can be seen throughout the skyline in the Kuala Lumpur area. By varying the form, height and size, complexity is created to avoid monotony. Emphasis is achieved when an object within the building attracts visual attention. For example, like the placement and height of this minaret of National Mosque. Contrast is the opposition and contradiction of two different parts of element in one design. This sitting area in Empire Damansara become a striking feature due to the contrasting color of black and yellow. Hierarchy is the arrangement of elements to imply importance. In this Hindu temple, the visual weight is increased from the bottom to the top to direct the user's visual attention upwards. Radial is known as spreading out from a focal point. Looking up from the interior of a dome roof in an LRT station, the linear lines radiating from the central point, extending outwards, leads the eye towards the center.
Go home, folks.